Well, good day, folks. This is your boy Ferris Salon here, and I am coming to you live here from my home office, bringing you a short preview of the comp plan. I can be a little wordy, and I wanted to take a little bit of time to kind of give you an idea of what the comp plan was like. So, without further ado, before I give you the longer version and breakdown, I'm gonna explain this to you and kind of give you an idea of the reason why I think it would be a good idea for you to jump on in this. I've given you several reasons. Like, okay, you need to start building the assets, and you need to be having something that's going to help you build wealth. Plain and simple. Our subscription comes with Mint Builder a la carte, sold separately without any of the subscription bundles. By itself, and it gives you the wholesale pricing of the numismatic coins and gold and silver bullion, gold, silver, and platinum, I think, and palladium bullion. It gives you that access to that to buy, and it gives you an income platform as well. Now, with the packages themselves, when you add the $37 a silver piece, which gives you just a raw 2 pieces of silver with, I think, one piece of silver, just to kind of show off that you've gotten something, is $47. Now, the most popular package that everybody goes to is the $97 a month deal. It's the Around the World package for $97. I think I might bump up to this right here when I make a little bit more money, because I want to get those rare coins. Those rare coins are the ones that really grow in, they grow in value. Now, all of the stuff does grow in value, but the rare, view does grow in value. But we tell people, start where you're comfortable with, but start with something in your pocket, because this right here doesn't show that you're being dedicated to your business. It just shows that you're trying to get somebody in to make some money off their back. That's all it ever does. So, if you don't have any silver to show off, then people are going to know that you're not really investing in yourself. So you want to invest in a package right here. Start at $47. If $97 is too hard for you, $47 a month, you can have your own business. And it shows people that you're getting there. $97 a month gives you a MS70 coin, I want to say that right, and it gives you one a month of those. This gives you the rare view, select few. Like I told you, those are rare coins, and then the Global Elite gives you the super rare coins, and that's $497 a month, which really grow in value. One of the coins that we did have on here, from what I heard when I wasn't a part of the company, was a personally Stanley autographed silver coins that were minted, and the site was selling for $500. Those coins have been going for $1,200 since Stanley's passing, because they shot up in value. That's another thing about collecting coins. And if you have somebody, celebrity, connected to them, or whatever, then you'll never know what's going to go up in value. Now, just regular coins that are out there that doesn't have Stanley's signature to it, then they're going to still go for value. They're still going to go up in value, but it might take them a little bit of a while. Personal commissions, you earn 10% from personally referring people to the site. Subscription bundles for subscription bundles. Member platform recurring and retail sales. You earn 1% on bullion sales. So whoever goes in their back office and buys bullion, you're earning a commission off of that as well. Refer 10 select few bundles and earn $177 a month. 10, and that earns you $177 a month. So basically, you'll have a free coin coming your way if you choose to upgrade from there. And I think, like I said, once you start making more money with this, people are going to upgrade. There's no monthly quotas or whatever have you. So it's not like super coded. It's coded to you, so where you can pay, but You're not going to stay in the code just because you start somewhere. That means that if you move up to another, to the 177 select few bundle or the global elite bundle, then whoever is still in your team, they just in your team. And once they start moving up and start getting the select few bundle and the global elite bundle from the around the world bundle, or whatever they started, even the silver piece, it's a build-up process. I always tell people like this. I had somebody join me and he just jumped on board with me in my other business venture and call me. I always tell you to start where you're comfortable at so you can continue, push forward. This right here, nah, we need you to have at least something, to claim that is yours. A silver piece that's not killing you. $47 a month is not killing you. And showing people that you're dedicated to your business, and then around the world is really what's showing people that you're dedicated. But we want you to start where you're comfortable at. And not everybody has that, money to put down, but it's really not that you're putting down money for, anything imaginary or anything that you can't grasp. You'll be able to grasp your asset each and every month. So that gives you that, and you earn 50% off your team matches. So you refer 50% recurring matches from your team's earnings of subscription bundles, member platform recurring, and retail sales. We all add up all these 10% commissions earned from everyone within your team in their top five tier team pay and matching. In your matching recurring 50% commissions, you get paid from that. So we also have a car bonus, which you can, personally refer 10 paid member subscription member platforms and or subscription bundles, and the car bonus is $700 a month. So that, and no, it's not and or, it's and subscription bundles. So, and you grow your total team referrals and maintain a 5-tier team of 250 members on platforms and subscription bundles. So that's 10 paid member platforms. Okay. $1 million lifestyle bonus, which your personal refer and maintain 20 paid members. And this is like the qualifications you have to have on 1 through 5. So those are 1 through 5. These are personal referred people that you have to maintain. And this is what your team has to look like down below you, so you can get that. And you can do whatever you want with some money. You know how some companies, they'll make you, either if you don't get the car, they'll take a portion of that money, put it in their pocket, and say, well, you don't have to get the car, but we're going to give you that, but we're not going to give you all of the money. The money's for the car. And then the next month that you don't end up qualifying, you end up having to take the car back. Remember a company called Visalis? Back in the day, some of you guys were around. It's one of those weight loss shake companies that was on a binary, and they made these people balance left and right. Well, they made them get the cars, or a choice between getting the cars or a portion of what the car would cost. Well, of course, people were going to get the car, which instead of taking the money, some of them were out getting BMWs, and then a couple months later, it ended up getting a repo because they couldn't pay for them because people were quitting. People were quitting on that. So with this company, you can take that $700 and do whatever you want with it. So that $700 a month you can be using to pay a bill, car note, or you can use it to market with. So the $1 million lifestyle bonus, you personally refer and maintain 20 platform members, and then you have You grow and maintain a total of five tier team of paid members and platform subscription. The total team required is specified in each level of payout. So the lifestyle bonus you need to make $25,000 is $500. 500 people, 50,000. You need to have. Stop saying. 50,000. You need to have 1,000 people. 100K. You need to have 2,000 people. 250K. You need to have 5,000 people. 500K. You need to have 10,000 people. And for your $1 million lifestyle bonus, and that is maintaining 20,000 people with this, which I think will happen because everybody's excited about silver. So you and each of your team personally refer select few bundles every 3 months, and you refer your tier 5 team has accomplished 4 referrals in 1 year. Your income will be $12,000 every month. That's more than $145,000 a year, but you can refer a lot more than that. This is a wide bonus. So I have to do something to think. I always offer the rotator, but nobody ever, falls into line with it. They expect the rotator to do all of the work for them. And it never works out, and they end up frustrated the same way. So I'm not going to do a rotator because I did that one last time, and I did it with quote unquote a friend and gave him sales. And this dude expected me to pay for it. Every other thing that went on, we were supposed to have a team effort, and it was just like I said, when you outgrow people and you can see they bull crap, man, I'm telling you, you'll get tired of it quick, fast, in a hurry. So I don't think I'm gonna do that this time around. This is such a simple thing for you to have, and I will show you some of the places that I market at. You can market on Hercules. You can market on any one of our platforms that we have. Any one of the platforms that I have listed on my page, and get sales. But I'm also going to be doing postcards with this. Working on getting postcards made up right now and sending them out via mail service. Although you can do them by hand. I have a company. You can get 5,000 postcards for like $150. And if you do the math on it, you get all your leads and everything like that, it'll save you a few dollars. It'll save you a few dollars. But they also have a mailing service as well, so you can do, keep hands off and just kind of, you don't have to wait and get the leads, get your postcards, and then go and get your stamps and all that stuff that you need, and then have to sit off and mail them off. You don't have to do any of that stuff. You can have a complete hands-off approach to this as well. So to the marketing with this as well. So I said I wasn't going to be long-winded. It did end up being a little long-winded for this 2-page compensation plan. With this, just jump on board, man. It's a wonderful prospect. It's a wonderful thing to have. So with that being said, this has been your boy Ferris. I want to remind you guys to be blessed, not stressed. Always be motivated by success, and I will see you guys on the beach as well. If not, I hope to see you in the bank. Catch a big check. Peace.